This is Dennis Muller with Week 4 Progress Update Weekly Report for the Studio Enterprise Tools. This is where I am converting legacy applications that interact with our CRM Studio Enterprise into a web-based client for that we're calling Studio Enterprise Tools, built in C#, HTML, some JavaScript with some Ajax. So here we are logging in. I'll get an authentication request in my two-factor on my phone, and that's approved. And so this should open up. Okay. We've added this week customer service memos. That's because I have the correct stall CS memo so that the tool will load me. And the first thing it's going to show me is all the active CS memos. Here it says I have 41 total, showing 1 of 7 and all the different pages, so we could actually page through them. Go to number 2 and back to 1. So when I click on one of these, it will load it in my customer service memos detail panel. This will give me some information about the account. I'm going to go to one that's lower in the screen, so just to make sure I haven't done any testing. All right, we'll do that one. So I'm going to grab this account number. Before we create our email, I'm going to grab this account number, go over to our Donor Direct CRM called Studio Enterprise. I'm going to search for that account. I'm going to open it, go to communication records. Take it just a minute to load. Okay, so these are all the previous customer service memos. This one actually had 2 on the account. So even if I take one off, it's still going to show another one. But we're going to go ahead and process that. We don't have any of the regardings yet, so that's what we will create. Open up my Outlook email just to show that I don't have any. I've deleted all my test runs for any account. So here we go, Studio Tools, we'll create email. It's going to ask me to authenticate Microsoft Draft. So now we load our email response, and I'm going to have to pick who I want this to go to. My from is myself. Normally our teams would send it to one of these. It's in a list. This is a dynamic list pulled from a account code in Studio Enterprise. I've added my name just for testing, so I can send an email to myself so no one else will get these test emails. The message will show regarding contact us requests submitted on the date, our date right here, 11/18/2025, and who it was to, the name, having account number, it lists the account number and the email address. And this is just to assist the person that's receiving this email with going ahead and getting started on working on whatever issue was there. And this partner wants 250 English devotionals each month to pass out for the prison ministry. And these customer service memos are usually done because the people answering the phones do not do the work that's involved. Somebody else has that responsibility. So they create a CSM, and then somebody will assign all of these to an individual by sending this email. So I can actually add some extra comments. Please let me know if any questions. I can send this email. I'll get email sent successfully. Click OK. It's going to re-clear my screen and take that one off the grid. I can go over to my email, and now I see I have my exact email sent to my Outlook using the Microsoft Graph interface. And then we go back over to accounts and transactions in SE, and I'm going to research this account because Studio Enterprise does not re-update a section. There's no way to re-update that without refreshing. So now we have the regarding CSM that we created today. And open that up, and it's the same thing as the email sent. So somebody will get a record, and this will also remain as an open communication record. So someone will know if this doesn't get worked on, because it's gonna be in an open status until they actually do the work. So that is all of the updates for this week. This one had a lot of moving pieces, probably twice as much as any of the other modules. It took me a lot more hours to complete this week, but it's been very rewarding and working with Microsoft Graph. Thank you.